Good morning guys. It is already parang 3 PM na ata. Aalis kami ng hotel around 8 AM kasi yung flight namin is like 1 PM ata. So, yeah, today is our last like full day talaga. Pero na-sleep in kami. Grabe yung pagod ko kahapon. As in, pag uwi namin, siguro mga past 11 PM na rin. And then after no, nag-shower pa kami and stuff kasi sobrang init sa London, sobrang pagod. Actually, after ko mag-shower, sabi ko kay Mauro na parang nagugutom ako. And nagugutom din siya. So, nag-ano pa kami, nag-Uber Eats pa kami. Kasi nga, like, 1 AM na ata yung oras na yun. Super late pa rin kami nakakatulog and super late pa rin kami nagigising. But in my part, like, for the past few days, parang natutulog ata ako 4 AM, ganyan. And then, nagigising ako ng mga 9 AM, ganyan. Ilang araw na talaga ako na 5 hours lang ang tulog ko. So, ngayon, since ito na lang kami lilibot sa Birmingham, we decided na talagang matulog talaga kami. At magising ng kusa. Parang 11 ata ako nagising. Ano oras ka nagising, my love? Around the same time? Yeah, parang ganun. Tapos nag-anahan lang kami, nagchikahan, kwentuhan, alam mo yung parang reflection on kung ano yung trip namin, kung ano yung mga memorable sa amin and what na. Nagchichikahan lang kami habang hinihintay namin nagising si Eli. Balak namin, naalala mo yung last Thursday, Friday nung pagpunta natin dito na merong sushi sa may mall. So, baka dun kami kumain. Gusto kasi matry ni Eli yung sushi na nasa conveyor belt. So, dun kami kakain. And then, after that, we have like a few things, a few places na gusto namin puntahan. At yung hotel, meron parang available map sa baba. Yung mga places na pwede mong puntahan within the area. So, parang kahapon, pag-usapan namin yung Mauro kung saan pa namin gustong pumunta. This time, wala kaming specific talaga. As in, kung saan lang namin gustong magpunta. Unlike nung nag-London kami na, oh my God, fully packed talaga kailangan puntahan namin. Alam mo, hindi namin in-anticipate na yung Notting Hill pala, I mean yung Portobello Market, closes early. Nakarating na kami mga 5. Buti na lang talaga. Balak pa naman namin mag-stay pa ng konti sa Trafalgar. Sa Buckingham Palace ng medyo matagal. So, alam mo, pagpunta namin ng Buckingham Palace, nilakad namin, it's just like a 20-minute walk. Medyo malayo yung Buckingham Palace sa Westminster Abbey. So, ang laki ng garden, ang laki ng park. So, yun yung nilakad namin. Pagdating namin doon, as in, nung nakita lang namin yung Buckingham Palace, picture na lang, and then let's go. Hindi rin naman kami makakapasok sa loob. So, we just really wanna see it as it is talaga. And then, napunta na kami ng Notting Hill. Buti na lang, we decided to go like early. Meron pa kaming mga places na, I mean, a few stalls na naabutan. Alam mo, to talaga si Eli, ang sarap na isama sa mga galaan. Kasi talagang, todo na talaga siya kumain. And, favorite ni Eli ang Japanese food. So, diba, nag-ramen kami. Sabi ko, di man lang ako nakakain na talagang mga parang bakery pa dito. Yung mga English na mga bread and pastries nila. Ngayon punta ulit tayo sa mall para kumain nga dun sa sushi. And then after, lalakad ulit tayo. Actually, mga 15 minutes away, 20 minutes away. Magtingin lang talaga tayo ng mga tourist spots. Ano? Para ma-enjoy natin. So yeah, I'm done. So, alis na tayo. after this, we're going to the library. And I was like, oh, library, we're gonna bury you there. I was like, you're so mean. Why are you so mean to me? And then I tripped on the carpet, and he was like, karma. Karma.
I caught that. I caught that on video.
Ang ganda ng Birmingham. Na-surprise ako kung gaano kaganda ang Birmingham city. Pasado 8 o'clock na rin. So, we are back home. Nakabili kami ng ibang pasalubong. Sayang nga wala kaming mabili na parang yung Birmingham na yung mga magnet. I just had fun. Nakakabitin nga lang. Next time siguro, I think next time that we go here, should be like staying for like more than a week na.
Yeah.
Eli, where else do you want to go to? Like, where else do you want to travel? Hey, I'm asking you, where else do you want to travel? Do you want to go in the Philippines?
I want to eat everything. The reason why is just because I want to eat a lot of stuff. Seal. And then seal turns into a walrus. Look.
Oh my god.
This was the last one, so
Yeah.
I guess I was the chosen one.
You think so? Yeah, it's meant to be. It's meant to be.
It's meant to be for me.
Pahinga muna tayo ng saglit. Mag-shower tayo para maayos na natin yung mga gamit. And bumili pala kami nung bags yun sa The Notting Hill. The Notting Hill shopping bag. And then sa likod may mga drawings and stuff. So ito yung gagawin kong pasalubong. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye. Hey, do you want to say bye?
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you for coming with us.
Bye-bye. Wait, let his friend also say bye.
Bye.
Wait.
Bye-bye.
Bye. first.